Hello students, welcome back to our mathematics class. My name is Anjali and today we are going to continue discussing the chapter 7 for class 7 mathematics. Students, I hope you all are fine and safe at your places. So students, let's start with our today's class. Yes, first of all students, I want you to take a sheet of paper and draw a triangle on it. Yes, are you doing it? Very good students. I hope you have drawn a triangle like this. Okay. So students, if I ask you that you have to draw another triangle on the same sheet of paper, but it should be exact copy of this triangle. Okay. Then how will you draw it? You must be having different ideas that how can we draw the exact copy of this triangle on the same sheet of paper. Okay. So students, one way can I say that it could be by measuring the side, right? We can measure the side of this triangle with the help of ruler, and then similarly we can draw the another triangle like this. Yes, very good students. So now tell me students that we have measured the three sides of this triangle. We have three sides and we can draw a triangle. Okay. Now if I ask you that this side of the triangle is equal to this side is equal to the this side of the this another triangle. Okay, now I'm taking this side to be equal to the base of other triangle. Okay, because we have measured the sides and then only we have drawn this triangle. Okay, yes, same copy of the first one. So students, now tell me that do you know that how we can say that these two triangles are now congruent to each other? No. Okay students, so if you know then it is good. If you don't know, so students, that is our topic of discussion today related to the congruency of triangle based on the SSS. Okay, which is the, so students, today we are going to discuss the concept of the SSS congruence of triangle. Okay, basically its theorem we will discuss today and some applications. So today we will draw SSS congruence of triangle. Okay, with its concept and theorem and applications. Okay, so students, what basically we can meant by saying the SSS congruence of triangle? Yes, you must be now guessing it very correctly that when one side, if all the three sides of one triangle are equal to the three corresponding sides of the another triangle, then we can say that the triangles are congruent to each other. Okay, so students, if I draw a triangle like this, on the board I am drawing triangles. Now how can I say that these two triangles are following the SSS congruence? When students, one, actually they have the three sides, right? So we can say that AB side is corresponding to PQ, BC is corresponding to QR, means it is equal, and AC is corresponding to PR. So then these two triangles are congruent by SSS congruence. Okay, so let us take it as XYZ. So we are saying that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle XYZ. by SSS, congruency of triangle. So students, are we clear now how we are saying that these two triangles are congruent? Yes, very good. They are congruent by the SSS, congruency of triangle rule. Very good. And we know that congruency symbol is denoted by this, which I have also drawn, okay? In the center, equality sign and one curved above it. So this way we can say that these are SSS congruence of triangle following. And here also students, it is, you can see it is written in the words form that look at the triangles ABC and XYZ. So these two triangles are said to be congruent by, because yes, the side AC is equal to XZ, AB is equal to XY, BC is equal to YZ, okay, and AC is equal to XZ. So if they are following this three conditions of the corresponding sides, they are equal. So we can say that yes, these two triangles are congruent by SSS, which is side, side, side congruence of triangle. Okay. Let us move ahead now, students. What do you see now, students, on your screen? Yes, the tasty, tasty sandwiches. Water must be coming in your mouths. You have to eat them. Want to eat them? Okay, we'll have it after this session. Okay. So, students, now if I ask you to focus upon the SSS congruence of triangle for these two triangles. So, are you able to see that these two triangles are congruent by SSS rule? Side, side, side. Okay, so you must be saying that here we are seeing that AC is equal to, yes, PR, and BC is equal to QR. So students, are we given here anything, any like information that AB is equal to PQ or not? No, we are not given any information. So students, we can't say that these two triangles are congruent if we do not have the information about the third side, right? So we can't say they are congruent by SSS, congruence of triangle. Now if I ask you that I am giving you that the AB is also equal to the PQ of the PQ side of another triangle. Okay. Then students, now tell me, is triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR? Yes. If these three things are equal, so we will say yes. Therefore, triangle ABC congruency symbol, it is equal to congruent to PQR. Okay. Very good, students. So got the point now. If now students, what about this? These two triangles, are they congruent by SSS rule? Yes, for here also we must be having the information that whether these three sides of one triangle is equal to the three side of another triangle of this bridge or not. Okay, then only we can say they are congruent. So in real life applications, whenever we see any triangle, students, so for these two triangles, those two triangles to be congruent, first rule is SSS to check the side, side, side congruence of triangle. Now students, it's your time to answer it as the true or a false, that two triangles, triangle UVW, triangle XYZ are of same side, okay? So therefore we can conclude that triangle UVW is congruent to triangle XYZ. What is your take on this? Yes students, so if you are saying that this is a very true statement, you are correct, because they are having the same side. So It is enough for us to say that these are congruent, and especially by which rule? Yes, by we can say SSS congruence of triangle. Now students, focus upon these two triangles and tell me whether some information is given to us here or not. Yes, information given here over here to us is that the measurement they have given to us. For example, in triangle ABC they have given AB as 3.5 and AC as 5 and BC as 7.1. Okay. So now students, let us see that some measurements are given to us. So based on it, what we will be doing, we will be now moving upon to the SSS congruence theorem, which actually states that if three sides of a triangle is equal to the corresponding sides of other triangle, then the two triangles, students, they are said to be congruent. Okay. So let me take the two triangles as ABC and DEF. Okay. First of all, what are we given with? Yes, we are given that AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF, and AC is equal to DF, because it is already stating three sides are equal. Okay. So what have we have to prove, students? Yes, we need to show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Okay. Yes. Now, so in order to prove it, students, first of all, what we will be doing? Yes, since it is saying that the sides are corresponding sides to the other triangle, so we can use the corresponding parts which we have already discussed in our last class. Okay. So we know that the three sides of both the triangles are of the same size and length. Yes. So when what we will do, when we will superimpose one triangle over the another, so what we will say, DE will be placed on AB. DE will be placed on AB, and similarly DF will be placed on AC, and EF will be placed on BC, or we can say they will be corresponding. Okay, like this. So students, what it makes? Yes, if we are saying that they are corresponding, so we can say they are equal. If we are, when we are superimposing, it means D is equal to AB, right? Yes, and similarly BC equal to EF and AC equal to DF. So if we have got three sides as equal, so we can say that they are the congruent, because by the SSS congruent rule only, if three sides of the triangle are equal, so we can say this is the congruency of triangles. Okay, very good. So we have proved this theorem also. Now students, what do you see? Yes, few triangles with some measurement. Now if I ask you that whether these two triangles are congruent by SSS congruence of triangle, so what is your take on it? Very good, students. So if you are saying that these are congruent, you are very correct. So students, AC is corresponding to which side of the other triangle, DEF? Yes, DF is also 9, AC is also 9. So we can say that AC is equal to DF, which is equal to 9. And what about student AB? Yes, AB is equal to DE, which is equal to 7. And similarly, students, what about the BC? Yes, BC is equal to EF, which is equal to 5. So now students, by which rule we can say that these are the congruent? Very good. So triangle, therefore triangle ABC is congruent to, so students, AB is corresponding to DE. Okay, and BC is corresponding to EF. So we can write over here it is DEF. Right? Yes. It is the by the side SSS congruence of triangle. Very good, students. Now it's time for you to students fill in this blank, that if 3 dash of one triangle are congruent to 3 dash of a second triangle, the triangles are congruent. You can write your answers in the comment section, students. What do you feel the what will come in the blank, as we have discussed just now some concept? Very good. So if you are giving the answer as 3 sides of one triangle are congruent to the 3 sides of another triangle, so we will say yes, the triangles are congruent. Very good, students. So in both these, sides will come. Now students, what do you see? Yes, you must be seeing that a boy is flying a kite. He is enjoying flying a kite, and many of us do, right? In our childhood also we have flied so many kites. So students, just focus upon the shape of this kite. Okay, what this kite is forming. Just have a look at it. Isn't it something looking like this? Yes, it is exactly looking like in the shape of a kite. So students, from here, are you getting some kind of information regarding the side AD and CD? Yes, they are appearing to be equal. Yes, they are giving to be equal to us. So what we will do, students, now we will be see one application based upon the SSS congruence of triangles. Okay. Now let us see what they are asking us. They are saying that in the given figure, AD is equal to CD and AB is equal to CB. They are already given us. What we have to do, we have to state that 3 pairs of equal parts in the triangle ABD and CBD. Okay. You can see that there are 2 triangles ABD and CBD, and they are asking us to state the 3 pair of equal parts. Which are those equal parts? So let us try to answer the first question which they are asking. So students, AD in triangle ABD, side AD is equal to which side of triangle BCD? Yes, AD is equal to CD. They have already given us also. We can equate this also. This is already given. And similarly, students, AB is equal to BC. This is also given. Now just observe, student, the side BC, BD. Very good. The side BD will be equal to the BD only in both the triangles because it is the common. So we can say BD is equal to BD common. BD is common in both the triangles. Okay. You can specify. Yes, they have asked us about the ABD and CBD only. So these are the 3 pairs of equal parts in those 2 triangles. Now students, what about the second part they are asking? Yes, they are saying that is triangle ABD congruent to triangle CBD? Very good, students. Yes, definitely these 2 triangles are congruent. And students, why they are congruent? Or you can say how? Very good. Because we have the 3 equal sides in this triangle ABD and CBD. So we can say that by SSS congruence of triangle. These are congruent. Yes. Okay. So I hope you are also writing them side by side. Okay, as I'm doing it on the board for you. Let me zoom out a bit. So like this, students, we have solved this application. Shall we move further now? So students, here we want to show that triangle ART is congruent to triangle PEN. Okay. So if we have to use SSS criteria, then what we have to show that AR equal to what, RT equals to what, and AT is equal to what? Very good. So first we will say that AR will be equal to, yes, ART is congruent to PEN. So AR will be congruent to PE, equal to PE. What about second? RT will be equal to, you can write them side by side in the comment section. Yes, very good. So RT will be equal to, yes, EN. And similarly AT will be equal to, yes, PN. So by using the SSS criteria, we have given them the answers that what we have to show. And what about students this? That which of the following triangle is congruent to the given triangle? Is that A triangle or B triangle? So student measurements, if it is not visible to you, in the first it is 865, okay, and in the B triangle it is 875. You can give the answer as A or B in the comment section. Very good. So you can say that the given triangle to us is the having measurement 8, 5 and 6. So it will be congruent by SSS rule, the first one. Okay. First is the correct answer, students. I'm filling it up. I'm outlining it with the black color, which is the A correct answer. So students, today we have learnt about what? Yes, SSS congruence of a triangle, its concept and example. And now let's summarize our today's class. So if all the three sides of one triangle are equivalent to the corresponding three sides of second triangle, so the two triangles, they are said to be congruent by dash rule. Which rule, student? Very good. SSS rule. And in this figure, students, AC is given to us equal to BD and AD equal to BC is given. So which of the following statement is meaningfully written, student? Is triangle ABC congruent to ABD or it is congruent to BAD? Minded students, it is differently. Okay, so we have to see that AC is replacing, it is equal to BD. Okay, very good. Second one is correct. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD. And students, in the third, if you have to use SSS criteria, then you need to show what? Yes, this we also have done, that we need to show that AB is equal to PQ, because ABC is congruent to PQR. So AB is equal to PQ, BC equal to QR and AC equal to PR. Now students, it's homework time for you. First you have to do is that we have given the length of the side of the triangle. So you have to apply SSS rule, okay, and state which of the following pairs of triangles are congruent, okay. And question 2 is that in a square sheet, you have to draw two triangles of equal area such that the triangles are congruent and triangles are not congruent. Okay. What can you say about the perimeter, student, now? Find out their perimeter and infer something about the same. Question 3, students, that ABC is an isosceles triangle which is AB equal to AC. So you have to trace a same copy of this triangle and name it ABC again. Now what you will do? You have to state the three pairs which are of equal parts in the triangle ABC and ACB. Okay, good. Now an activity, students, in your homework you have to do. For that you will be requiring the petty papers in the material, and the steps for the activity are: you have to draw a triangle on a piece of paper, copy the side of the triangle on the another piece of petty paper. Okay, you have to copy the side and cut them out, cut those sides. Now arrange the pieces so that they form a triangle. Okay, now just see that is this triangle congruent to the what the original triangle was. Okay, try to find out that what is the reason behind it. Is this triangle congruent or not? Okay, and do these pairs of congruent sides, it can be used to show that the two triangles are congruent or not. Okay, very good, students. So I hope you are clear with the activity and also with the homework which I have given to you. So students, thank you. That's all for our today's class. Now we'll be meeting in the next session. Till then, take care, students, and have a good day. Bye bye.